Hello guys, today we bake rye bread. For this recipe we need 350 grams of dark rye flour, 150 grams of bread flour, 400 ml of water that I divided in two glasses. In one glass there is 200 ml. I put 1 teaspoon of salt. In the other one I put 1 teaspoon of sugar plus the yeast, the dry yeast. And also, if you like it and if you have it, you can add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Now we mix the two flours together. After we add the water, the dry yeast now is melting, and in the end the tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. We work our dough, and after we should wait that double itself. I don't know, they grow 2 times the measure that we have in the beginning, and after we should work again, but I'll show you later. Our dough is doubled. Now we can shape our bread. So I remove the dough from the container. I work it with the flour. We should fold at least 2 times, give the shape, and I will put directly in the baking pot. And after we should wait again that he rise up, but I'll show you later. After 38 minutes at 180 Celsius degree, our bread is baked, but now it's too hot because it's still cooking inside, so we should wait before cutting it. So tomorrow morning we will test it. I will test it with the butter and the jam homemade, naturally. So see you tomorrow morning for the testing. Spectacular. especially with the butter and the homemade jam. Remember that this bread is perfect to make the kvass, that is the bread wine from Russia. I have already posted the video. So guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, and to watch all the other videos. You can find other homemade jam, homemade bread, and the kvass. Bye bye. Sure, if you toast it with all this or with the cheese, will be perfect.